Hello everyone. Welcome back to the course on data science using R. Before we start the course, let's have a short course overview. In the first module, we're going to understand the basics of data and technology that is driven by data. That is data science. Then we will try to understand the different types of data. We will work on various tools that are existing in the market for data science. And finally, we will look into the various applications of data science. With this introduction, we will now work with our weapon of choice. Our choice of weapon is R language. We will use the RStudio IDE for the program execution. First, we will install RStudio. We will go through a set of fundamentals of R language. We will work on the set of arithmetic operations. We will then work on handling arrays, vectors, lists. We will work with data frames, which is widely used in data science. We will try to understand how to create, save, and open data in R. Now, once we get our hands dirty with R, we will look into the first part of data science. We will first understand the step-by-step process in data science, right from formulating a business problem to developing a model and presenting it to the world. Then we will work on data collection techniques, which will lead us to web scraping. We will scrap websites during this course. Once the data is collected, the next milestone is to clean your data. We will try to understand what is data cleaning and how does that affect your outcomes. During this process, we will work on strategies for handling missing data, categorical data, detecting outliers, and scaling your data. Cool! Now we have cleaned your data. It is time to visualize your data. This brings us to data visualization. We will visualize our data using the ggplot library. First, we will work on a set of visualization tools. Then we will take up a case study or a problem or a situation, and we will try to assess the situation using data visualization. Then we will create a data dashboard using Shiny Web Apps. Once this is done, it is time to understand your data or extract the knowledge from data. This will lead us to statistics. Here we will first understand descriptive statistics. We will then work on a set of techniques in descriptive statistics like measure of central tendency, variation, then association of variables, and measure of shape. Now, once we summarize the data, now it's time for inference. This brings us to inferential statistics. We will try to understand what is sampling, then we will work on confidence intervals and hypothesis testing. Apart from statistics, we will work on predictive modeling. We will understand how regression methods helps us in predictive modeling. During this module, we will work on simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. The next module deals with classification models. During this module, we will work on what is classification and how is it used in data science. We will work on logistic regression and random forest regression. After that, we will build our classification models in R. Finally, this brings us to dimensionality reduction. How can we reduce our data without losing data? First, we will understand what is dimensionality reduction and what is the purpose of reducing your data, or we will try to break the thought that more data leads to greater accuracy. After this lecture, your view on data volume will change. During this module, we will work on principal component analysis. We will build a dimensionality reduction model in R. So guys, this is a long journey. Let's start with the first module. Thank you. See you guys in the next lecture.